Okay. Nathan is making a paper airplane right now in art. It takes an immense amount of concentration. Takes an immense amount of concentration. If he doesn't fold the bows just right, it won't fly. Look at the way he bends them up so delicately with his fingers. Don't mess up, Nathan. Don't mess up. The artist at work. He must have complete silence for this to work. Complete silence.
Here, complete silence.
Look at that glorious plane, forming its shape as we speak. He really wants that candy bar. Nathan, how much do you want this candy bar right now?
No comment.
He wants it bad. Look at the way the point is. Oh, look at that point. It's like he's a professional master of paper airplanes. Folding it with his hands, oh so gently. Smoothing it out. Making sure every little crease is out before he goes. I think he's going to start on the wings soon. Carefully making the point. This is the most important part. Everyone knows this. Folding the airplane wing to make the glorious flight pattern. Sorry, I've scratched my arm. It's just so bad. Okay, I'm back. Oh, yeah. It's definitely coming along now. Yeah, definitely coming along. All he has to do is fold the other wing over, and he's got it in. He's got it. I think some big wigs from the school's up here. Over there. Shh. Don't let him bother you. He's only watching your work. He's come to offer the best airplane winner like $5,000. No pressure. No pressure. Is it done, Nathan? Do you think it's done?
No.
Sharpening out the point.
There's only one way to find out.
Time to have it for a test run. Oh wait, no, you can't do that. You're not allowed to throw it inside. Never mind, no test run.
You threw yours?
Look at it. So beautiful. Yeah, but I threw it like 2 feet. Oh, you can throw it like to me. Well, all that we're